right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for everyone's favorite. It's the return of the Kaiser Permanente Baby Races. Now, let's meet our competitors for today's contest. This right here, wearing the number 1, is Giselle. She's 9 months and stands an impressive 1 foot 2 inches. She loves music, shoes, and wants to be a basketball player someday. Number 1 is Giselle. Number 2, it's Cash. Cash is looking a little nervous, but he's gonna be okay. He's 1 year old. He just celebrated his first birthday. He loves basketball, music, dance, and the remote control. Number 2 is Cash. Up next, wearing number 3, it's Everett. He's 9 months old. He loves to chase his big sister around the house and is guaranteeing to be a future NBA player. Adorable Everett, number 3. Wearing number 4, it's Holly. She's 9 months old. She loves hunting cats and blowing raspberries. Adorable. Number 4, Holly. Up next, number 5, it's Elijah. He's 10 months old. This guy likes to party. He loves guitar and pizza. Up next, wearing number 6, 12 months old, future basketball player, loves playing with his lips, is what we've been told. Adorable. Last but not least, rocking number 7, it's Marcus. He's the biggest Kings fan in the area, and he is actually named after his hero, DeMarcus. It's Marcus, number 7. All right, so here we do. Babies will be placed into racing position. When I say go, they will race across the court. The first one to pass the finish line will be your Kaiser Permanente Baby Race Champion. So babies, on your mark. Kings fans, get ready to make some noise. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, yes. Okay, here comes Cash. Cash and Everett at the half-court line. It's between Cash and Everett. It's close, it's close. Your winner, number 2. It's Cash is your winner of the Kaiser Permanente Baby Races. Let's hear it for your winner of the Kaiser Permanente Baby Races. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Cash. Gotta hydrate after you work so hard, buddy. Good job. Let's hear it one more time for all of our baby racers and your winner, Cash. A well-deserved bottle.
He's exhausted. I mean, the guy needs to rehydrate.